Hey, how's it going, everybody? Micah here from Wall Street IO, the #1 backtesting platform and community for stock and option traders, with a quick update for you tonight. Right now, I'm taking a look at Apple stock. We had a really nice move here on Friday, bounced right off the 123 area. More importantly, I really like the fact that when you zoom out, we bounced right off this long-term diagonal, kind of right where you hope we should have bounced in order to stay inside this channel. I'm looking at the stock right now, and I'm actually thinking the risk reward here is pretty good. If we can pick up a little momentum here, I'll give you some levels to watch, but we have a lot of room now to the upside, considering the fact that we have the bottom of the channel at 123, just a couple dollars below us. Top of the channel is not really until about 148 to 150. So here's what I'm thinking right now with the stock. I like this momentum strategy. On a day-by-day basis, you can gauge its momentum by asking yourself two simple questions. Is the stock hitting new daily highs today? And are we closing at new daily highs today? If both of those are true, then we have bullish momentum. And considering the fact that we're now at the bottom of the channel, I really like the idea of Apple cycling up here. But again, we need to have both those answers to those questions be true. New daily highs, closing at new daily highs. I'm also looking at the MACD right now, not officially crossed the bulls, but it's getting really close. And if Apple starts to move up on Monday and Tuesday, very likely we could actually have a bullish cross in the MACD. What that generally means from a payday cycle perspective is that the payday cycles tend to be a little bit longer to the upside when the MACD is bullish. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stats right now. When we look at Apple over the last few years, and we look at it without the MACD being bullish, the payday cycles have about a 42% batting average over the last 3 years. But when we include the MACD, you can see that the batting average skyrockets up to 61%. The risk reward improves as well. Everything improves across the board. So if we can get the MACD to cross bullish, a lot of those bullish strategies will kickstart. Again, I really like the idea that Apple's at the bottom of its channel. I like the risk reward here, actually. Now, normally June seasonality historically has not been great, but the last couple of years have actually not been that bad. So a couple other quick things here. Let's take a nice look at the Qs. The Qs had a really nice uptick on Friday as well. I like the fact that we compressed. We had a big move on Friday. If the Qs can get above and stay above 336, I think we're actually in a little bit of a breakout. Now I was looking at the SPY as well. The SPY has the most relative strength out of all of these. You can see the SPY is actually really close to breaking out to new highs. If the SPY can get above and stay above 422, 423, we're actually breaking out to new highs. The market's in a breakout. A lot of stocks will start to rise at that point, breaking out to new 52-week highs. I think that's very, very bullish for Apple, very bullish for the broad market in general. Now that we're through May, there's a big saying, sell in May, go away. We're now through May into June. It looks like the market likes that. Again, I'm watching 423 to the upside here in the SPY. If we can break above that, I think that's good for the market.